In today's world, it can feel like AI is everywhere, and it's easy to think you're already behind the curve. But here's the thing, everybody starts somewhere. AI might seem overwhelming at first, but trust me, it's definitely not too late for you to learn about it. The key is to start where you are and gradually build up your confidence, step by step. Machine learning, generative AI, and data-driven technologies are transforming industries. However, they don't have to feel out of reach. It's all about grasping the fundamentals and applying them to real-life situations. AI isn't just for tech experts. It's for anyone who wants to stay competitive and thrive in today's increasingly digital economy. If you're ready to start mastering the concepts and to prepare for the future of work, HP Life is here to help. Take the first step by enrolling in this free course, AI for Beginners.